Introducing the Canflex Stick Pack Machine, fully automatic vertical form fill seal packaging machine, designed for reliable, high efficiency and cost-effective pouch packaging. This VFFS machine can produce center seal pouches from 20 mm to 100 mm width using film rolls between 75 mm and 220 mm with pouch lengths up to 180 mm. Equipped with a servo-driven auger filling system, the machine delivers accurate powder filling with a capacity of up to 80 grams depending on product density. The Canflex Stick Pack can also be configured for granules and liquid products with the appropriate filling attachments, making it suitable for multiple packaging applications. With a production speed of up to 50 pouches per minute, depending upon your product. For precise operation, the machine includes photo mark eye synchronization for accurate film tracking and batch cutting for clean and uniform pouch separation. The system is also compatible with coding units and nitrogen flushing, allowing easy integration for product traceability and extended shelf life. Built for user-friendly operation, durability, and reliable production, the Canflex Stick Pack is an ideal solution for modern packaging requirements. Contact us to learn more about the TD series and how it can support your packaging operations.